So in this tutorial, we have two problem sets on trigonometry involving what we call complementary angles. Let's get into it. So we are given that the sine of the angle 5s minus 28 degrees is equal to the cosine of the angle 3s minus 50 in bracket open and close degrees. And we are given that 0 less than s less than 90, which implies that x is an acute angle. We have to find the value of x. Then number two, we have to simplify this expression, the sine of 20 degrees divided by the cosine of 70 degrees plus the sine of 65 degrees divided by the cosine of 25 degrees. Now these two problems, we are going to solve it using the property of complementary angle. Now if you look at a right angle triangle that we are used to, the angle here is theta. We already know that this is the right angle 90 degrees. So if the angle here is theta, then the angle here becomes 90 minus theta, such that theta plus 90 minus theta will give us 90 degrees. So I cannot write it in terms of sine and cosine, which are complementary. So I can then say that the sine of angle theta is equal to the cosine of 90 minus theta. So this is a complementary angle property. Hence, I call this first equation, or rather the first question, complementary equation on trigonometry. Now, we have sine of angle 5x minus 28 all degrees equals the cosine of angle 3x minus 50 all in degrees. With the property I demonstrated, I am going to find the complementary angle equivalence of 3x minus 50. So that means that I'm going to subtract this angle from 90 degrees, then cosine becomes a sine. So I'm going to have sine 5x minus 28 in degrees equal to sine 90 minus 3x minus 50 all in degrees. So as you can see here, the cosine of 3x minus 50, the complementary value is the sine of 90 minus 3x minus 50. So you can see that sine and sine can cancel out. What you have is a simple equation. So that gives us 5x minus 28 equals 90 minus 3x. We are opening the inner parentheses. Minus multiply plus is minus. Minus multiply minus, or negative multiply negative, that's positive. So we have 50. So we can see collect like terms further. This is 5x minus 28 equals 90 plus 50 is 140. 140 minus 3x. Now if you take negative 3x to the left and take negative 28 to the right, the sign values will change. So we have 5x plus 3s equals 140 plus 28. So 5x plus 3s is 8x. So we have 8x equals 140 plus 28. That will give 168. So if we divide both sides by 8, the value of s is going to give us 21 degrees. So this is the solution to this problem. Now for the second one, this is even much simpler than the one we just solved. It is the same property. The solution to this second problem is a one-step solution, what I call the razor approach, razor sharp approach. What I will do to this cosine 70 is to find the complement, which is sine 20. So I can write this question number 2 as sine 20 degrees divided by the sine of 90 minus 70 in degrees, plus, it's a choice. I'm actually converting the bigger values to the complement. So sine 65, I can choose to convert it to cosine. That becomes the cosine of 90 minus 65 degrees divided by cos 25 degrees. So we are still using the complementary angle property. So as you can see here, we have sine 20 degrees. 90 minus 70 is 20 divided by sine 20 degrees plus, here if we remove 65 from 90, that gives us 25. So we have the cosine of 25 degrees divided by the cosine of 25 degrees. You can see how interesting this question is. So at the end of the day, you do not need a calculator, nor even a four-figure table. So sine 20 can divide sine 20. Cosine 25 can divide cosine 25. So you are going to have 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So this is the answer to the second problem. So thanks for watching. Continue to like, share, watch, and comment on our video. See you next time.